Now we are going to show you how to disassemble and assemble Sur BRT-M9 model. You can find instruction manual inside of the box. First, you have to remove the magazine. Now turn the pin left and pull. After that, pull the upper part back and out. Now, upper spring pin are divided. You can maintain cleanliness and oil your blank pistol during at this position. The barrel must be clean of remaining powder residues in a good way. Now we are assemble all the pistol back. Put the part, then pin. After that, spring, step by step. Now upper part. You must push the pin and turn left. Now it's fixed. It's ready to shot.